Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix Snapchat SS06 support code. Either you've done too many attempts to log in or someone else is trying to log into your account. Either ways, first of all, head up to your settings and then click on settings one more time. You wanna scroll down and you wanna clear all cache. After that, what you want to do is head back into, if you have Play Store, then Play Store, if App Store, then App Store, and search for Snapchat and make sure the app is installed. If that doesn't work, long press on Snapchat, go to App Info, and then clear the cache directly from here. You can also try clearing the storage, and if that doesn't work, your last option is to uninstall the app completely, reinstall it, and that should work. But these are all the possible fixes. Hope that helped, and I'll see you guys in some other video.